Okay, so I'm on the Appvia stand and I'm talking to Jay. Jay, how you doing?
Yeah, good, thanks. Good to see you again.
Jay, give us a quick intro to you and to Appvia as well, please.
Yeah, sure. So I'm Jay Keshur. I'm one of the co-founders of Appvia. So Appvia is a UK-based startup since 2018. We kind of specialize in the platform engineering space. So anything cloud, anything sort of platform engineering, helping developers ship code securely into cloud, and really kind of simplifying that whole dev experience around it, making sure that the things that they're doing is in compliant with the regulation or the policies that the organization has in place.
Fantastic. And you and I have had conversations about platform engineering in the past. I was on your podcast and I've been on other podcasts since, and I'm sure you've been kind of talking about it for ages. Yeah. What's kind of been the latest on in this sort of platform engineering space for you? What have been customers telling you at the show as well?
So as you probably know, IDPs come up quite a lot. So for those of you that don't know, IDP is an internal developer platform or an internal developer portal. Lots of random talk about that.
Yeah, that portal one's come up recently, isn't it?
Exactly, Jesus. Contentious, some of these things. Just marketing ploys. So basically, an IDP is essentially like a way for a developer to have like a streamlined experience to get some of the things. Whenever we're talking to a customer about that type of thing and that experience that they're looking for, one sort of thing that we're quite aware of is they haven't necessarily taken the time to build the foundations of like being able to have something like an IDP properly. So by that I mean, an IDP is something that you might put onto protect someone's cloud journey. And cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP, they have quite opinionated ways of having like a secure multi-account, multi-subscription, whatever structure, and platform landing zones, application landing zones, and guardrails to ensure that a customer can start using cloud securely. IDPs, the ones that we've seen so far, they ignore the journey before a developer and they just think about the developer itself. Like, how do I get the templates and stuff for a React app and put that into GitHub and maybe deploy it somewhere, but what they're deploying it to, the infrastructure and how it gets there and the network and all that kind of stuff isn't necessarily taken care of.
Right, so there's certainly a lot to kind of consider, and for them to be kind of learning that, and I'm sure you guys have been kind of educating them step by step on this show and your engagements as well with customers. Okay, so what are you guys up to? What's kind of happening the rest of the year? And you mentioned something about a 30-day thing as well, so tell us a little bit more about that.
Indeed. So as of this event, we've just launched a 30-day free trial of Wayfinder. So Wayfinder is that sort of developer experience platform that I talked about, that deals with that, how to deploy containerized apps into a hardened Kubernetes cluster on AWS or Azure or GCP, and then how you get your application dependencies, so things like databases, anything that you might put in a service catalog. How do you get items in a service catalog that your application might need? So now you can go and get a trial of Wayfinder without talking to a sales guy or anything like that, which I'm sure people love to do, especially techies. So we've just launched that today. It'll be great to have you guys try it out.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Jay, very much for your time. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Good to see you again.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me. You may also want to check out some of the other videos on this channel. Bye for now.